Our customers are basically middle class customers. We want to input certain values in them so that they can grow in their businesses also and in their services also. So we want to inherit them the can-do approach. Okay, I can also do everything. I can also become a rich person. I can also purchase a good flat somewhere. I can send my child basically for abroad education. These can-do approaches we are going to involve into the customers by motivating him basically. When we went to this Shubhachintak training program, what I saw ki whatever I was doing manually, these things are done on the web. Previously, what was the thing? I took around 3 meetings. First was the fact finding from the customer. I have to go to him, find out the facts, then make a presentation, and then the closing comes into picture. Now what is happening? That fact finding thing and the presentation is done by Shubhachintak. The questionnaire or fact finding directly goes to the customer's mail. He answers them according to his leisure, and I get the details. We generate an action plan. That presentation is also done online, and the third meeting we go for closing only. So my 2 meetings I got reduced out. That time I am utilizing for generating different prospectus now, because my business is increasing due to that reduced time which I used to go basically previously without Shubhachintak. That Shubhachintak has helped me out to save my time basically and to reach to vast public. We wanted to connect with our other customers who are abroad. So that was not possible previously because they were staying abroad and I am staying here. So due to Shubhachintak, what has happened, certain customers have given me referrals of their counterparts who are staying abroad. So I am now getting connected due to Shubhachintak to those customers who has got lot of potential to invest into India. So I think Shubhachintak has gone down to the levels where a smaller advisor can also utilize these services. I will strongly recommend all the advisors should take the Shubhachintak platform, because what is happening that social media or network marketing is increasing. If you do not change over yourself to this type of media, then you are kept behind and you will be losing the large base of customer. Because if you see previously that credit card selling, then online purchasing were very less. But what we are saying about mutual funds are also purchased online, insurances are also purchased online. So you should be online. So what is happening? I am not working, but the Shubhachintak is working behind me.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.